Genie Morris, and I am a part of the Business Analytics Group 5. After viewing various sustainable businesses provided to us by Fortune 500, we decided to further analyze Dick's Sporting Goods. Dick's Sporting Goods has a mission to mitigate their environmental footprint as stewards of the planet. In order to achieve this mission, they have come up with two sub-goals. These goals include eliminating single-use point-of-sale plastic bags in all stores by the year 2025 and overall reducing plastic waste, and reducing greenhouse gas emissions for Dick's operations by 30% by the year 2030 versus their 2016 baseline. As a means of accomplishing these goals, Dick's Sporting Goods has put various different initiatives into play. To accomplish Goal 1, they have partnered with Closed Loop and Beyond the Bag, who also have an overall goal of reducing point-of-sale plastic waste. They are also working to reduce overall waste, and as a means of doing so, they have been collaborating with different brands such as Adidas to decrease the amount of waste used in both the production of products and their packaging. They have been working to decrease the amount of waste generated by increasing both their waste diversion and recycling. One way they have done this is by reusing their plastic hangers or sending them back to the vendor in which they received them from. To accomplish Goal 2, they have been working to replace their current lights with LED lighting in over 800 of their stores. They have also been working to adopt green building practices, and they have been encouraging their vendors to do the same. Lastly, they have been setting targets so they can remain focused and on track to reduce their greenhouse emissions. We have developed 3 different types of questions to help us with our analysis of Dick's Sporting Goods as a sustainable business. These types of questions include descriptive questions, predictive questions, and prescriptive questions. Our descriptive questions will be used to help us find and quantify the data that will assist us in our analysis. They include, how have we been progressive in eliminating our environmental footprint in the past? How many tons of waste have we been responsible for over the years? How much of the greenhouse gas emissions have we been responsible for? And how many companies are switching to paper packaging in the near future? Our predictive questions will be used to help us predict the best results and outcomes going forward. They include, how many stores will switch to paper each year in the progression to 2025? How much will be spent on paper versus plastic in the next quarter, year, and so on? We know that plastic is cheaper, so how should a budget be allocated in the near future? And how many online orders will be placed in the next year requiring transportation and packaging? Our prescriptive questions will be used to help us determine the best solutions to any challenges we may face when working to achieve our goals. They include, how can we offset the environmental impact of new product delivery solutions? How can we inspire commitment from customers to adopt and continue sustainable shopping solutions that move away from single-use packaging? And is there an incentive beyond the global implications that can be provided by the company to customers for actively reducing waste? As a means of analyzing Dick's Sporting Goods, we must obtain data from various different sources. These sources may include internal data from Dick's regarding waste and greenhouse gas emissions, open data regarding company waste and greenhouse gas emissions, incentive program data, cost data for alternative packaging solutions, transportation data including average delivery distances, customer inquiries about how they would like us to control waste in our operations, reading data on different techniques throughout a year to see which one reduces our environmental footprint most efficiently, and viewing data from similar organizations to see what they use to reduce waste and greenhouse gas emissions. This concludes my presentation regarding Dick's Sporting Goods mission, goals, descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive questions, and data sources. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and thank you for listening.